Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to use low latency mode on Twitch, whether you're watching someone else's stream or you're a Twitch creator. First, unlock your phone and open the Twitch app. Find any live stream you want to watch and open it. If the stream provides the option, tap the settings icon on the video player and look for advanced options. You'll find low latency there where you can turn it on or off. Twitch says viewers can control low latency locally when the option is available. Turn low latency on to reduce the delay between the streamer and your screen. Keep in mind that the option may not appear in every version of the app or on every platform. Twitch's current documentation lists support for low latency on desktop Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, the Twitch desktop app, and certain mobile console platforms. If you're a Twitch creator, open Twitch in a browser and go to your creator dashboard. Twitch's creator settings are managed through the creator dashboard. Open Settings, then go to your stream settings. Look for the latency mode setting. Twitch provides options for low latency and normal latency. Select low latency and save the setting if prompted. This helps reduce the delay between your live stream and viewers, making real-time interaction with chat faster. After changing the latency setting, restart your stream for the change to take effect. If you experience buffering or stream quality problems, Twitch recommends trying normal latency instead. And that's how you can use low latency mode on Twitch, both as a viewer and as a creator. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.